it's Marissa and Kelly at Warwick Chiropractic and Massage, and we're going to demonstrate for you today a little bit about how your body is impacted in a motor vehicle collision where someone hits you from the rear. And it doesn't really matter what speed they were going, it pushes your body forward in the same movement. So Kelly is going to demonstrate an impact from the rear. Your body goes forward and your neck, depending on the speed, usually will kind of whip forward like that. Oftentimes it causes whiplash or acute inflammation. So I'm going to have him show you that again. Look how his body is curving and his neck is going forward, and hopefully your airbags deploy if you were hit strong enough and kind of pushes you back to keep you from having that full jerking forward head motion. And I'll have him show you just one more time. Full jerking forward. There we go. And when we come back, we're going to demonstrate some massage techniques and where the body is impacted in that kind of collision. In this clip, I'm going to show you a little bit of massage technique to address the muscles that were previously listed. All these guys at the base of the skull, all the little muscles that support the head and neck and the suboccipitals. It is very normal to have a killer headache after a rear collision, because all of these muscles and blood vessels get irritated when it's inflamed. Get down into that mid trapezius muscle. Okay, in the next video, I will go ahead and demonstrate techniques for the neck and the upper shoulder compartment and how you can get that worked out. Welcome back. We have Kelly on the table now, and we're going to go ahead and outline some of the areas that are impacted during a motor vehicle accident where you are hit from the rear. So we have the spine, of course, all the way up and down. So in that jerking forward head motion, this area in particular is severely impacted. A lot of people have swelling and tension here, especially if you got whiplash. And then another area, we have the trapezius muscles that will tighten up and constrict everything. That's one of the most surface muscles in the back. And outlined, it's a diamond-shaped muscle, and it goes all the way out here across the shoulders and kind of points down right about here. So we have all of that area in here that will tense up, and of course those muscles are doing that to protect your spine from overextending and injuring itself. And that's what muscles are there for, to keep us all structurally sound. So most of the time right about here in the shoulders, also in the rhomboids. You're going to have a lot of tension in here. And you need to address the levator scapula, and that is in charge of, I'm just going to pull up here, elevating and depressing the scapula, which is your big old chicken bone right here, chicken wing. So just palpating, work on that muscle, and the levator scapula runs from the superior border of the scapula up here into the back of the neck. So that's a shoulder muscle that's impacted during a motor vehicle collision from the rear. So we would work all of these neck muscles and down into the shoulders and into the mid-back, and releasing those for Dr. Warwick so that he can get this spinal alignment to kind of do what it's supposed to do. And that concludes our video for today about what muscles are impacted during a motor vehicle collision from the rear. Thank you so much for watching.